It's that time of year again, Cliff. No, Cliff, it's the time of year when a Faster PC wishes everyone a happy Thanksgiving. This is Bryan Longworth, host of a Faster PC Live Technical Support. On behalf of a Faster PC and its employees, I would like to thank God for all of His blessings over the past year and remind our customers and radio show listeners to take time during this busy time of the year to thank God for His blessings and provision. He truly does provide and meet all of our needs. If you have computer, technical, streaming, or cybersecurity problems,
you need a Faster PC.
A Faster PC provides remote, in-shop, and on-site technical support Monday through Saturday, answers your computer, technical, streaming, and cybersecurity questions on a Faster PC Live Technical Support, heard every Saturday at 10:06 on WPSL.
A Faster PC is located at 7190 South US 1 in Port St. Lucie, next to Dollar General.
And on the web at
www.com. Fasterpc.com. www.fasterpc.com.
That's afasterpc.com. Call a Faster PC today at 772-878-5978. Again, that's 772-878-5978. Computer problems?
You need a Faster PC.